Hi everyone, this is Michelle, and I will be giving an overview of how to combat IB Math HL in my class. As a teacher who studied the rigorous IB diploma program in the American International School, the ultimate goal of our class is to help you achieve the best results in your IB and school exams. In this IB Math HL course, we will be covering over 12 topics, inclusive of algebra, functions, trigonometry, vectors, statistics, probability, integration, limits and rules, differential calculus, application of integration, solids and revolution, and many more. Moreover, our lesson will be goal-oriented by helping you to achieve the highest GPA as well as your highest IB score. To achieve this, we'll focus on intricate applications, long-word problems or concepts that most Korean students face difficulty in, as well as your weakest sections. So first, let's take a look at some example questions. The first key concept is the derivative when x equals a. The gradient of the tangent to y equals fx at a point where x equals a is denoted by f prime a, where the equation can be expressed as such. Using this key concept, let's take a look at a question. Use the first principles formula of f prime a to find the instantaneous rate of change in x squared plus 2x at a point where x equals 5. The solution for this would be, first of all, we would have to find what is f of 5, which is 35, and to find f prime of 5, we simply have to input our numbers into the first derivative concept that we learned. And afterwards, we are able to simplify this by grouping this in terms of h and seeing how both h's cancel into 1. Inputting h equals 0 finally to the equation, we are able to get 12. And therefore, the instantaneous rate of change in fx at x equals 5 is 12. Next, let's take a look at the second example question. The next key concept is about trigonometric derivatives. Suppose y equals sine of x, and using the chain rule, we are able to find cos u times f prime of x, and these are the different functions and their respective derivatives. Utilizing this key concept, let's take a look at the next question. Differentiate with respect to x for x sine x, as well as for tangent square 3x. For part A, we simply have to use the product rule to get sine x plus x cos x. And for part B, it's a little bit more complicated, where we have to set u equals tangent 3x, and utilizing the chain rule, we are finally able to get 24 sine 3x over cos 3x cubed. To conclude, our process is very easy. Through the course content, you will gain knowledge and we will focus on your individual needs to finally result in your highest achievement. Thank you for listening and find Michelle. I'll see you guys in class.